All right, today we're working on the cabin air filter for a 2016 Ford Fiesta. We already pulled this shield off. The way to get it off, you just got to undo the one screw that was in this hole. Then once you pop that out, then you have to pop out these tabs. Once you pop those tabs out, 1, 2, 3, 4 tabs, then you can get this shield off. And then with the shield off, the cabin air filter goes right here. And it looks like the bits are star bits. You guys can see that. That's a star bit. So what we're gonna do is start working on these screws. Once you find the bit, go ahead and take the screws out. There's 2 of them. I think there's 3 more up top that you can't see. Yep, 1. Or there might just be 2. So far I can only see 1. And that fits. So it's a 3. You also want to press this tab in and pull this out. All right, we got the last bolt out. And with the last bolt out, this cover should just pop right off. Wait, there might be another bolt up top because it's not popping right off. Fuck. 20. So what I did is I grabbed this, I put it on the bolt up top by itself. I grabbed a pair of needle nose vice grips, and then I pinched the hex side of the bolt right here. Pinched that, then I cracked it loose. I probably did it like 2 or 3 times. And then after that, I was able to start doing it by hand, and I just got it the rest of the way out by hand. Then once it came out, now that it's free, we should be able to just, yep, cover pops right off. Oh, there we go, it came off. Here's the cabin air filter right here. Is you gotta pull the bottom end out as far as you can until this shit starts bending. There we go. I was able to get it all the way out. Now I'm gonna compress the middle to squeeze it as I pull out. Now look at that. That has not been changed probably the whole lifetime of the car. God damn, that's dirty. So yeah, that was definitely due for a change. All right. Then make sure you put the filter in there with the airflow facing this way. Make sure the arrow is pointing to the left, just like it says on the side right here. Right there, you see how the arrow points to the left? So just make sure your filter is pointing, the arrow on the filter is pointing to the left, and then you're in the right spot. Then you just thread all your bolts back in. There's 2 out of 5. And then that'll complete the cabin air filter. All you got to do is just reconnect the top 3 bolts, the bottom, reattach that right here, and you're good to go. I got the bottom 2 completely tight. The top 3, I'm going to just leave loose. I don't really see the need to tighten that all the way, honestly. When we're gonna eventually have to go back in here anyway, so we'll just leave those loose. I mean, they're not loose. I got them hand tight, as tight as I could with my hand. As far as it'll go. And that should make it to where the bolts don't fall out while driving. And that's fine for me. As long as they don't fall out, I'm good with that. Now we're gonna go ahead and put this shield back on, put the screw back in, and then we'll call that a done job.